If your Aprilaire 700 whole house humidifier is leaking, it's usually because you need to change the water pad. And you should be changing that water pad once a season. Turn off the power to your furnace and then either unplug your humidifier or turn off the humidifier control. There's a latch on the bottom of the unit. You're going to pull it down and forward and then lift up the front of the unit and remove it. To remove the old pad, it's in a frame. Just pull forward from the top and remove the frame. The top of the frame has a clip on each side. You're just going to push the side away and remove the top. Pull out the old pad and check that the opening on the bottom isn't clogged with particles. You can shake out all the loose mineral deposits, but Aprilaire says you can leave this in place. Don't scrape it clean because that actually helps with water flow. This is the replacement pad I'm using for the Aprilaire 700. With the new water pad, one side is going to be marked with either one or multiple marks. The side that's marked is the top. You're going to slide the new pad into your frame with the marked side on top and then snap on the top. Don't scrape off the mineral deposits on the top. That helps with water distribution. One side has a notch. You're going to push that side in first. This allows the water tube to pass over it. There's a short tube on the bottom of the frame that's going to set into the opening on the unit. You're going to line up the bottom and then just push in the top and make sure it's lined up on the bottom. There's two clips on the top of the unit. You're going to catch those first and then pull down slightly on the latch and lock it in place. Now you can turn back on the furnace and the humidifier.